What's up guys, my name is PhyllisGamer95 and today we're going to be unboxing the Blue Yeti Nano. As you guys can see in front of you, this is a premium USB microphone for recording and streaming. Half of the time when I use my actual Blue Yeti, I actually use it for recording and streaming. So this is going to actually be perfect. This is a smaller version of the Blue Yeti. I have the original Blue Yeti. And I wanted to check this one out because of its small form factor. I don't have my original unboxing knife, so we're going to use this big ass kitchen knife. So let's go ahead and cut it on top here. Alright, so now that the plastic is off, we are going to see what is inside this box. Alright guys, so this portion of the video, I'm going to show you guys what's in front of the box. This is the side of the box. If you guys want to go ahead and read what's on the box, go ahead and pause the video. This is behind the box, and this is the other side of the box. Now let's go ahead and open the box and let's see what's inside. As you guys can see on top, there is a little hole to put your finger in and slide it on out. I had a tiny bit of trouble getting that out, so we had to flip it upside down and slide the box out that way. Now there's a whole bunch of holes in the box. I figured, I could just open it, but I totally forgot that there's another seal on it. So let's go ahead and grab the big ass kitchen knife again. Cut that open. Sorry for the camera shaking. And voila. We are greeted with the USB cable and a giant foam piece. As you guys can see, here is the Sherpa software for the Blue Yeti Nano. And a bunch of documentation. Let's go ahead and see what else is inside this lovely box. As you guys can see here, we have a mini USB cable. It's completely different than the Blue Yeti. Then inside we have the microphone, which is a pain in the ass to get out, so let me go ahead and show you guys. That's what it looks like. And here we have our microphone stand adapter that you can connect to a boom arm. And this is what the Blue Yeti Nano looks like outside of the box, folded and standing up. It's really quite small. It's actually freaking adorable. That is the grill. That is the volume and mute switch. And behind we do have the two polar patterns, which is cardioid and omnidirectional. Very nice looking microphone. And the blue logo. The microphone stand adapter and documentation. Alright, so here I'm going to give you guys the size comparison. Right now I'm using the original Blue Yeti, and as you guys can see, it's pretty big. I just took it off the boom arm. But yeah, this is like the original one, and it's freaking humongous. So I'm going to set up the Blue Yeti Nano and show you guys what it looks like on the boom arm. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the boom arm. I want to apologize for the way my desk looks. I know that it does not look good at all. I actually need to clean my desk. And there is the Blue Yeti right here. It's really big. I'm not sure if this is working, but we have life though. What you guys are listening to right now is on the Blue Yeti Nano. I actually replayed the video clip I just played back to you guys previously, and it sounds amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and setup for the Blue Yeti Nano. As always guys, stay fearless, and most importantly, stay safe.